y'all, I also forgot to say thank you to the new people that's been subscribing. Thank you and welcome to the channel. And we just had 900 subs, so we got 100 more to go to get to the 1,000. So I just wanted to come in and say thank y'all for watching the videos and showing support like that. And I know it's a couple of people that's been going out their way showing support. So thank you. I appreciate it. Okay. All right. Bye, y'all. Hello. Family. How y'all doing? And welcome to my channel, Jasmine, and I'm JasmineLatishea. Nice to meet you. So, y'all, I'm coming in today. This is a weight loss vlog, okay? So apparently I've been doing something wrong. The last couple of days I've been kind of like stuck at 293, and my weight has not been moving. I have two reasons for that. Usually at first I had been waking up in the mornings, taking my fasting weight, and so I already knew off top that my weight, every time I would go to take it, it was higher a little bit. If I didn't do it at when I got up, or if I ate something or if I drank something. So that's why I haven't been putting it in the videos, because I knew that it was going up, because when I drink a cup of water, I probably drink like 2 to 3 cups of water, and it's gonna increase my weight. So that right there was one issue. Okay, just a second, you guys. So like I said, that right there was one issue. The reason that I haven't been seeing movement on the scale. Okay. And the second issue is, which I touched on a little bit the other day. Now, usually, at first, before I got these phones, I had an app on there to track my fasting, right? And what I've been doing is doing at least minimum 18 hours a day. So the last couple of days, I don't think that I've been getting those 18 hours in. I just downloaded an app, and I've been trying to like kind of test out the apps, so I haven't really been too strict on how many hours that I've been fasting, right? I probably haven't even reached more than 10 or 12 at a time. So I think that has a major role to play in the reason that the numbers aren't going down. But however, though, on the good foot, right? Ooh, on the good foot, though, I haven't eaten too much, and this I know for sure. I've been paying attention to what I eat. If you go look at the last video I just dropped today, a video with red cabbage, like last night, that's what I ate. Okay? Last night I even ate red cabbage. When is the last time I had any sugar? Anytime I had any sugar was the banana pudding. Well, actually yesterday I had a piece of gum, so I guess I consider that sugar. So I did have a couple pieces of gum yesterday. But other than that, y'all, I've been doing what I'm supposed to do. Because I've been throwing up videos, so I want to make sure I hold myself accountable. I'm showing people what I'm doing. Okay? And then yesterday we had worked out and we did the 4,000 steps. So I've been doing what it is that I'm supposed to be doing as far as eating within my range. I'm trying to make sure. All I had to re-download the steps the Steps app, and because you guys, I couldn't download it at first because I had forgot. I had forgot what the name of this thing was. So I was like, how am I gonna find the app for it? Because if you type up Fitbit, you're not gonna find this one. You know what I'm saying? So I had forgot what the app was called for my little Fitbit thing. So get you a real Fitbit. At least you'll know what app you need. Okay. So those little two things right there, having those apps and relying on them so much, you know, caused me to be behind a little bit. Because I haven't been as diligent about fasting for at least 18 hours. At least 18. 18, you should be at a small ketosis. And I checked my ketosis, my urine today, and I'm at 15% concentration for my urine. Soon as the urine, oh my gosh, y'all, why do I always witness crime? I'm going past the bridge and there's a car in the curve on its hood. Oh, that made my heart hurt. The car straight on the hood. I can't stand running up on, crime scenes where the car is flipped over on the hood. And it seems like I run into that all the time. I see it all the time. Another thing that always happening to me while I'm driving. That's why I'm always aware when I'm driving. But I am a professional driver though. Okay, I got CDLs. But anyway. Now, another thing that I run into while I'm driving all the time, and you can ask the people that be around me, I got witnesses. Cars always drive towards me. I remember last year, I wouldn't even drive sleepy because every time I would get in a car, it'll be a car coming towards me in the other lane. Ain't that crazy? Always, always, always. I remember this one, that was last winter, not this winter. But I'm driving, and it's snowing really, really heavy. It's very heavy snow that day, and it's fresh. So, that fresh snow reaction time is different because it's more slippery. So I looked up, I'm driving, you had to keep real good control of the car. And here come this sucker coming my way. Even happened on the highway. That's when I knew it was bad. I was like, yeah, I better be careful. Somebody trying to take her out. Stop driving in front of her, please. Yeah, I forgot what I was talking about. But yeah, y'all. So when you run into little kinks in your diet, make sure. Because if it ain't working, you got to hurry up and fix it. You know what I'm saying? You got to hurry up and fix it if it ain't working. But I know I've been doing right too. And every time I go to weigh myself, I'm always up because I've been drinking or I just ate. So, and that's the wrong time to make sure you're fasting when you're checking your urine. And well, I guess you don't necessarily have to be fasting when you're checking your urine for ketone percentage. But see, look at this car swerving in front of me. Crazy. But y'all ain't necessarily gotta be fasting for check your ketones, because it is what it is with that. Now you got to be careful what you eat for those ketones. Make sure you know how many calories you eat in a day. Make sure you know how many hours you plan on doing the intermittent fasting for. Okay? My plan. Get up in the morning. Coconut oil. Okay, make sure my phone's still on. Get up in the morning. Coconut oil. Second, apple cider vinegar. Third, get 3,000 to 5,000 steps done. Okay? No eating, no drinking. I make sure I go on my weight at this time. Probably 6 hours after I wake up, fasting. Okay? So I'll get up at 3 o'clock in the morning every day. So from now on, I'm going to start doing my weight and my urine checks at around 9, anytime after 9, after 6 hours after I've been awake. Okay? How many hours we going to intermittent fast? I choose to do it for 18 hours. Because after then, you get healing. You can go to full 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 days. Go ahead and do that. But I've been cooking and stuff, so and once you put that 1 calorie in there, like you did technically you broke your fast. You know what I'm saying? But is that gonna harm your body? Is it gonna throw you out of ketosis if you ate a strip of cabbage? Make sure you go check out that video. It was so good, y'all. But anyway, it's not gonna throw your diet off if you have 1 string of cabbage. You know what I'm saying? But I want to also do this for spiritual reasons, so it's gonna be important that I do it right. You know, it's me and the Most High had to talk about some things. So, and while you're fasting, if you are a believer, make sure you praying to the Most High at that time. Make sure you do. I've been telling my sister to do that. Like, you gotta, you know, the Most High can stop something. He can start it. He can stop it. It's always important to go to the chief in charge. And it's no matter what you're doing. Just like down here in this world, on this earth, when you go to work, you're not going to start working and you're not going to make no moves without talking to the head person in charge. So that's the same way it is with the Most High. You don't make no moves without talking to the chief first. Or you do make moves, but make sure you in contact with the chief so the outcome can be in your favor. Some people think because good things happen to them, so they don't need them. But let me tell you something. We all promised death and good and bad days. If you like to worship Satan, guess what? You're going to have good and bad days. If you worship the Most High, guess what? You're going to have good and bad days. That's a promise. So anyway, got off subject again. Maybe it's my scarf. Got me thinking this morning. And I ain't thinking too hard. Well, I'm thinking about that diet and messing up. Man, I was a little bit upset. I got on that scale and I'm like, what, 93? And it's trying to say 94, but that scale always gives me problems as it is anyway. So I know it's at 293, 292, somewhere right there. Plus I need to I still gotta go to the gym and make sure I get my correct weight, or tomorrow tomorrow I might just have to go break down and buy a scale because I can't take it no more. I don't know what that scale be doing. And then that's another problem I got too, so I need to straighten that out. The fact that scale isn't telling me accurate readings. But I know that even when it's not telling me accurate readings, I can be rest assured that it's giving me a higher reading, okay? She don't never give you no, Susie don't never give you no reading that's too high. She only hand out she only hand out high readings. She never hands you out a low reading. So you always less. So I know I'm actually gonna be less than what I think I am. So that is a good thing. I can't wait to see. And I can't wait to see how much less that this scale got me weighing in for. Because I believe it's like 5 to 7 pounds, y'all, for real. I know it's 5 for sure. I know it's 5. Even when I look at it, I'll be like, you know what? I'm at 2 is right now it's saying 293, 292. And 293, 292, y'all. But I already know that I'm probably 5 pounds down from that. And that's a good problem to have. So, but it's not been really hindering me too much, because when I see that I've made it to, okay, the time's still rolling. When I see that I made it to whatever, you know, I'm just calculating based off the last thing that I weighed. So it's not too bad, but I'm tired of it. So Susie gonna have to go and get out my house with her inaccurate readings. Okay, she worse than a psychic. Okay, worse than Miss Cleo around here giving inaccurate readings to the girl. All right, y'all. I'll talk to y'all later. I'll put my ketones pick in here, and I'll actually see y'all in the morning so we can get our walk on. Okay? Oh, I look a mess. Don't worry about none of that. Okay, y'all. Talk to you later. Bye-bye.